Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about heater and defrost systems in your vehicle, managing them, taking good care of them, and keeping them in proper working order. I know we live in San Diego, but this time of year it can get quite chilly in the morning, especially if you live in the inland valleys down in the 30s. You can get that little ice on the window, and you want to make sure to be able to have it defrost so you can see good when driving down the road. Inside your dash is what's called a heater core typically. Coolant from your cooling system runs through this. Air from the fan inside the dash blows across it, which creates the air that comes up out of your dash. These systems do start to deteriorate if your coolant is not changed regularly. This is one of the reasons that we recommend flushing out the cooling system at recommended intervals for sure. Other items that can fail are your heater control valves. Actually can start to leak with corrosion. We want to make sure those are taken care of, and flushing the coolant's about the only thing you can do to prevent items from plugging up, etc. Make sure and have your cabin filters changed and replaced regularly. Makes for good airflow out of the dash so that the heater and defrost work properly. If you do have some current concerns, get it in and get it checked by a qualified facility. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.